Narcan nasal spray is an emergency treatment for a known or suspected opioid overdose. Narcan nasal spray is not a substitute for emergency medical care. As with every drug, you need to be aware of important safety information concerning its use. If you suspect an opioid overdose, check to see if the person will not wake up, is very sleepy, or is not breathing well. Do not test the nasal spray device before use. Narcan nasal spray is for use in the nose only and is safe even if opioids are not present in the body. Hold the nasal spray device with the thumb on the bottom of the plunger. Insert the nozzle into either nostril and press the plunger firmly to give the dose. 1 nasal spray, 1 dose of medicine. Call 911 immediately after giving the person Narcan nasal spray. If the person does not wake up, continue to give doses every 2 to 3 minutes until the person wakes up. It is safe to continue to give doses. Stay until an ambulance arrives, even if the person wakes up. You may need to give all the doses in the pack. You have the power to save a life.